Assalamualaikum everybody. Haider Ali Bijani is here with an interesting topic, Pak-USA relations. I love to start from the beginning. In 1947, two countries got independence, well known Pakistan and India. So Pakistan did friendship with the United States of America and India did friendship with the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, so called Russia. So coming on very first point, in 1950 friendship time period. In 1950 when we did friendship with the United States of America, so for that we have the good relations at that time with the United States of America, and due to our good relations we signed two agreements with USA, well known CETO and CENTO agreement in 1954 and 1955. So coming on the next point, USA authorized $1.2 billion aid for Pakistan's military. So these were the good time relations time period with the USA. Now our relation took a new turn in 1962 when China-India border war happened. At that time, USA ordered us to support India against China, but we supported China against India because we have the good relations. We had the good relations with China, and how we can support India because we were some clashes with India, and we fought a war with India in 1948. So for that we supported China against India. So at that time now we have the ups and down relations with the USA. So next point, 1965 Pakistan-India war. At that time, our President Ayub Khan said to the USA that support us as we have the good relations, as we have signed the two agreements with you, CETO and CENTO agreement. But USA remained neutral. So at that time, we have not a good relations with the USA, and we have the ups and downs relations now at that time. So after that, coming on next point, in 1971 Pakistan-India war happened. A third war happened with India. At that time, USA openly supported India against Pakistan because it was the national interest of USA, and USA wants to use India against China. At that time now we have very bad relations with the USA because USA not only supported us but supported our enemy in the war. So the next point is cut off the CETO and CENTO agreement. Due to our bad relations, we cut off the CETO and CENTO agreement. As our good relations, we joined the CETO and CENTO. So next point is 1979 USA imposed sanctions. In 1979, because due to our bad relations, USA not only hampers the economical development but imposed different sanctions on Pakistan. So the next point is 1979 Soviet invention. In 1979, Russia attacked at Afghanistan because it was the nature and psyche of Russia. She used to attack its neighbor country to expand its territory. Because of that, at that time we have not the good relation with the USA, and USA thinks if Russia controlled the Afghanistan, then its power will be increased, and that thing was not bearable for the national interest of USA. So USA, CIA and ISI created meet together, joined again to each other, and created the Afghan Mujahideen against the Russia. So in 1989, when Soviet Union left, exactly at that time period, when America's interest left, America's lost the Pakistan's interest, and America left the Pakistan and imposed sanction and different sanction and hampers the different economic activities of Pakistan. So the next point is in 1990 to 1980, when Soviet left at that time, from that time period, USA's interest in Pakistan was left from 19 to 98. That was the nuclear development time period of Pakistan. Because of that, USA imposed different sanctions. So the next question, now our relation took a new turn at the time of 9/11 issue, when Osama bin Laden attacked the World Trade Center. At that time, USA said to us, ordered to us, either you are joining us or join to the terrorism. Because within the 24 hours, USA decided to attack at the Afghanistan. So Pakistan joined the war on terror. Now we have the good relation at that time from 2001 to 2009. We have the good relation because we joined the war on terror on the choice of USA. So now coming on the last point, 2017. After that, because of the behavior, because of the ups and down relations with the USA, Pakistan thinks about China, Pakistan thinks about the Russia, as we did friendship with China and CPEC as result for that, and we sent invitations to Russia to join CPEC. So it will be the beneficial for Pakistan, that Pakistan must join USA, Pakistan must join Russia as well as China for their friendship. So it will be betterment for that. And Donald Trump is also now the president of America, and because of his speeches, Pakistan's relations is now has the ups and downs, relations ups and down turns. So it was the lecture on Pakistan USA relation. So if you really like my lecture, then please subscribe my channel, and if you want to comment, then please comment. That's all. Thank you.